Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at another Victorinox Swiss Army knife. And this one is a Victorinox Adventurer. And this is a little different from the ones we've been looking at lately, in that this is one of the 111 millimeter ones. It's one of the larger knives. And this is kind of a, well, let's take a look at it. We'll see. It's a little bit, well, I mean, it's obviously bigger. Like, for example, let's see. This is one of the 91 millimeter Swiss Army knives, and this is the 111. So it's a bit bigger. This one is kind of simple and straightforward. It has a number of pretty useful tools on it, but it's not, I don't feel like you're going to be weighted down with an enormous knife. You've got the toothpick and tweezers, which are pretty standard. And so you get the toothpick and the tweezers in the scales. You have the usual can opener screwdriver, and you have the bottle opener, larger screwdriver, larger flathead screwdriver, and the little wire stripper thing. I kind of feel like the wire stripper nub would be even less useful on this knife than on the other ones, and it's pretty useless on the other ones. And on the back side, you have a Phillips head screwdriver, and it seems like with this, you should be able to get some pretty reasonable torque. You know, if you're holding it and you're twisting. And then you got an awl, if I remember correctly. Yeah, you got an awl. So the interesting part about this, though, is the knife blade. You have a really good sized knife blade. It's about, I'll tell you how long it is. It's about a 3.5 inch knife blade. Call it 3.5 inches. We're very close to it. Very close to it. Maybe 3.25 inches. But it's a lock blade. And these knives come in two different flavors. The old version, like this one, has a side lock here where you pull down and it locks, and then you pull down on it to release the lock, like so. The other one is a liner lock where, you know, the lock would be inside the liner. And I gotta say, I think I don't know, I'm torn. I'm not a huge fan of liner locks for the most part, so I kind of like the side lock. I don't think it would really cause any big issues, but maybe it does. I don't know. But it's definitely, I think I like it better than the liner locks. And this isn't a bad little knife. I mean, it's bad. It's a bigger knife than like the traditional Swiss Army, the 91 millimeter Swiss Army knives. So, is it 91 millimeters? Yeah, I think it's 91 millimeters. But yeah, it's not a bad knife, and it's reasonably priced. I think they're like, I want to say they're $40, somewhere in that range. I'll include a link in the description if you want to check one out. Yeah, they're not bad. And if you want like a bigger blade and you want a lock blade, and you don't want to go with like one of the Winger Evos that have the lock blades, this isn't a bad choice. And it's a bit more, you're getting into the bit more serious knife territory, because I mean, like, it's comparable to blade size to like Spyderco Tenacious. I mean, if you want to just quick comparison, you're getting into that blade size territory. So you're getting into more serious, like, I don't want to say more serious knife sizes, but just more of a work blade kind of knife. Anyway, let me know what you think. If there's any Swiss Army knives you think I should check out, or any other cool everyday carry type gadgets, let me know in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope you all have an excellent day.